Hello. If you are interested in the spatial scan mode from the EMScanner from YC Technologies, really you are interested in finding the specific location of one frequency in your device under test, in your prototype. I'm going to use this small circuit that is on top of the scanner. This is a top view of the circuit. And I will try to do a spatial scan with EMViewer, the software that is connected to the scanner. The first step is to go to the project menu and to add a node that is called Spatial node. In the Spatial node, you need to specify the frequency of your interest. Consider, for example, that we are interested in 11.06 megahertz. Why? Because this is the first harmonic of the clock we have in this microcontroller. I will be using a resolution bandwidth of 120 kilohertz, and I need to select what cells in my surface will be activated. Now let's select None, and if you see where the product is located on top of the scanner, you will be able to activate exactly the cells that are of interest for your scan. It's not necessary to activate all the cells of the scanner, so in this way the scanning process is faster. When you have finished this operation, you accept, and then you are ready to run the test. So now we'll have a scan using the spectrum analyzer from 10 megahertz to 250 megahertz in a resolution bandwidth with 120 kilohertz. This is the result. You can make a zoom, and you will be able to see that in the scanning process, we have identified this area that is in red color, where a specific activity at 11.06 megahertz is located. Look at this. When I move the mouse around the scanner, all the frequency values are 11.06 megahertz. This is fully different to the spectral spatial scan mode, when we are scanning every of the cells in some specific frequency range. We can change the scale in the colors, so we can easily find where we have specific loops of activity at that frequency, and we can see the result in 3D. So we can rotate to identify in the product the specific area of the activity. In our example, you can see that the 11.06 megahertz activity is basically located in this area. That is the area determined by the microcontroller and the clock, and the crystal that we are using to create this clock activity. And that's all. See you in the next video. Thank you.